Hello everybody. I'd like to show you some of my NASA Apollo collections. I've been collecting for now a number of years, and I have a huge collection in form of kits and solid metal ones. I've also got kits from the Monogram, Revo, and also lately Dragon. I've been collecting for a number of years, as I said, and I have a huge collection, but unfortunately I can't display every one of them at this stage, so I take in turns on swapping around. And today, just like to let you know that I have just received the latest Dragon in Dreams is called 1/6 Apollo astronauts. They are expensive, so I have just put the first two, which is numbered as NA001, which is Neil Armstrong, and NA002, which is Buzz Aldrin. So I've just managed to get delivered of them two new ones this month as they just come out. It's been a long time since coming. They've really put lots of effect into making this a very special edition of the collections. I bought these two from a shop called Model Sellers Loft up north in the UK, and lucky enough to get these two new ones. Apparently they're supposed to be awesome. Amount of time and years it's taken to make them, and let's have a quick look what they look like. As you can see from the box, they have just made it to attract any collectors. The way they've put together, this is it. It looks awesome. It does look awesome, and hopefully it is something that I'm expecting. It's one of the best models so far Dragon has produced. As you can see, looks awesome. Just look at the size of the box and the way it's presented. Yeah, all solid. And I tell you what, it does weigh a ton. It does weigh a ton. Looks nice. It does look nice. Oh, it's awesome. It is awesome. Just hope inside is still as it's supposed to be. Here we go. Whoa. Just look at that. That is awesome. I can see why they waited all these lot of years for it to come out. I've bought two of these. A Neil Armstrong one, 001 and 002. Oh, look at that. That is model of the year, I would say. That is perfect. Oh, I dare not touch it. That is wonderful. Just have a look. That is what is called detailed. Oh, it looks wonderful. Really awesome. That, oh, I know I paid quite a few bob for it, but I think it's worth it at the end. Right, let's have a look underneath another stage. It comes in two parts, I believe, so they told me. It comes in two parts, so you've got the stand and other bits underneath here, underneath the first wave. So let's have a quick look at the other stage. Here we go. Whoa, there you go. That is great. It's got tag, name tag, the plate. That looks awesome. that's awesome, really nice. The only one downfall about this model is that they have not included the flag. That's really bad. I'll be contacting Dragon and see if we can get any reply, but for that little monument they have not included the flag. But that would have been really nice. That would be icing on the cake, I would say, with a flag. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video, and leave any comments please. I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye for now.